Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about how to install JDK on Windows machine. Let's start with that. So to install JDK on Windows machine, we need to do three things. First we need to download Java JDK on Windows machine, then install and then JDK on Windows machine, and then set the environment variables because that is needed if you are using Java or if you want to run Java programs or if you are using Java as a Java for with Selenium, then you might need to set the environment variable. Okay, so first you need to check whether you are already having Java installed on your machine or not. So for that, what you can do, you can go to the control panel and first C, go to the programs and features, and then if you don't find here your Java, you have to search Java. So it's not there, so that means there is no any Java installed on your machine. Or you can do the again one more thing, that is you can go to the command prompt and check whether Java is, or by using this you can check whether what version, if the Java is already installed, then you can check with this command what version Java is having. But as it is not recognized Java command, that means there is no any Java installed on your machine. So let's start with the installing. So first step is like, okay, download Java. So to download Java, open your browser. It might be, if you have Internet Explorer you can use that, or Chrome or Firefox, whatever. Then go to the google.com, then search for the Java JDK download, and Oracle is the official website to download Java JDK. So here you will see first as a Oracle site, so go to that site as it is an official site, so it's a bit secure. So here once you come, you will find there are versions also, like a Java, this is the latest version right now. Java SE 14 is the latest version, and you will see 13, 11, and you see all these are the versions, earlier versions. So we'll just go ahead with the latest version. So click on JDK download. You will navigate to another page and it will have all the versions or download installable files for the Java and with respect to the operating system. So here you will see Linux, Mac and Windows. Okay, so as we are installing on Windows, we'll select this one. So let's start downloading that file. So I'll click on that and it will ask me to whether you have to accept it and then download. So now we have to wait until it get downloaded. So probably in next 1 minute it will be download. So again, one another thing is that, okay, if you have JDK already installed on your machine, and if you don't want that version, you can again go to the control panel and just click on the select that particular JDK version and then click on uninstall. So it will uninstall. You don't need to keep both the version or more than one version on the your Windows, but otherwise it will again be some problem when you are trying to do so multiple things. So it's better to have one version only running on your Windows machine. So let's see. So now you are seeing here like okay, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So okay, it should be done. It's depend on your again internet speed. So okay, let's go here and now this is the JDK 14 install on sorry downloaded on my machine. Now let's start installing it. That's the next step. So double click on this. If you double click, it will come up with one pop-up. Okay, now here just yes. You can just close this because we have now downloaded. Okay, now it started installing. So here it is welcome message and all that stuff. So you have to just click on next. Then you will get install your Java in this folder like a C program files Java JDK 14. Okay, then do the next and it will start installing Java on your machine. So now it will take some time. So we have to wait now. Okay. Now here you are seeing this message as Java SE development 14 successfully installed. So you have to just close it. Okay, so now two steps all completed like installing also done. Now we are going to set the environment variable. To set the environment variable, what you need to do, you need to go to the control panel. Okay, then go to the system here, system, and then advanced system settings, and then you can go to the environment variables. Now here you have to add the system variable, and under path you have to insert the Java path, bin path. So what do we have to do, we have to go to our the installable, so C colon, then Java has been installed in program files, then Java, then JDK, and then bin. So we have to take the path till bin, wherever our Java folder or Java install, that installation till bin, because bin will have the exe file for the Java. So I'll just path and I'll edit this path and I'll just say new. So here it will come and then control V and I'll say okay, okay, and again okay. Okay, so actually why we are putting this path under system variable, because here if you go you will find java.exe. So this is the exe file that we have to start. So now let's open the command prompt and see if the Java has been correctly installed on our machine or not. And we have set a path or not. So cmd, type here and press enter, Java, and you have to say dash version and C. So now it says Java version 14 successfully installed. So this message tells us that okay, this all has been installed on my machine. Okay, so this is about like okay, installing Java on Windows machine, and then setting environment variable uh, for the Java. So this will help you guys to run your Selenium programs also, because Selenium again needed Java. So there also you that will help you. And again, if you want to run your Java programs, then you can just run those programs also over here. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Thanks.